What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a good day. Happy 4th of July. As you can tell, we're not in our natural car sitting when the video started, but the car's up there. I'm already up here at Soddy Lake, and we've got the tent and everything set up, ready for tonight. It's actually like 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm extremely tired because, as y'all know, I'm not a morning person. But it's going to be a good time today. We're going to wait on some people to show up, as in Jimmy and Kayla and Wesley and my dad and his buddy. So I got up here, like I said, early so we could get this spot like we normally do. I'll go ahead and turn the camera around here in just a second and show y'all what I'm talking about, how close we are to the fireworks. I've got our spots blocked off up here. I know y'all probably don't care. Got our chips, cars, and coffee tent set up right there. That way we can have a spot to sit when we come back later tonight. There is a car show going on, and we will be walking through that here in just a little bit. Like I said, as soon as people start showing up. But let me go ahead and turn this camera around real quick. So here's my car, here's the tent. And this is where they shoot the fireworks off the pier. So I would say we have a pretty good view. Open view, no trees around. Looking forward to it. Sun's starting to come out now. It's a little humid out here, but it's about 70 degrees. It feels amazing. Here in just a few minutes, I'm probably going to sit behind my car and video some cars coming in to the car show. Entrance is like right there. And so we'll catch back up with you guys here in just a little bit when we start walking through the car show. Also wanted to say one more thing. Yesterday was my mom's birthday, July 3rd. So if y'all don't care, get down there and leave her a comment. Tell her happy birthday. I'm sure it means the world to her. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you back here in a little bit. I do too.
I don't feel good now.
So nice. Made me a friend. Yeah. Hey, Jimmy's here.
Who's here?
Wesley's here.
This is it.
Kayla is over there.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're about to walk into the car show. I got these two handing out flyers for me. We're going to get some video. So, yep.
My brother-in-law got that 64.5 Mustang.
I know, I knew about the taillights.
And I'm building my dad had a 72. Yeah. It's just a good looking. This is the year I was born.
I can see y'all cruising around in this.
This would be great.
Oh, him and Gene.
No, it'll be you and him. Excuse me, ma'am. Sometimes you just gotta look at it, Jimmy.
Huh?
You just gotta look at it.
I can lick it? Lick it?
No, look at it.
Oh, look. What is that lick?
Hold them on. Yeah.
Hey, that's what you need.
Oh, it does.
Hey, if you had this, you'd be dead.
Oh, I would. No, his did.
Push his ass.
You know, where are you pointing at? You were pointing at something.
Huh?
You were pointing at something. I was just trying to get ahead of some people.
Shiny!
It's shiny.
Ooh, pretty.
Can I lick it? Can I lick this one?
No. Stop
Look.
it. You can look at it. Don't touch it.
I'm licking.
No.
Licking and touching are two different things.
We're going to have to cut that for sure.
Huh?
We're going to have to cut that
Yeah,
one.
you will. Into it or out of it?
This is pretty sure it's in Nathan's.
Do this thing.
Yep.
Hey, you can't be touching these cars.
We're going to have to escort y'all off property. Hey, you should have wore red shorts like him. Y'all could have been matching.
It won't be the first. I know I saw his shirt and that pissed me off, but I didn't say anything. I told you.
Jimmy, what are you doing?
I need this for the Subaru.
You need it for the Subaru.
I need that for the Subaru. Make me look.
What do you think, Dad? You like it?
This is a SSRS.
Yeah.
Is there tequila in it?
Kayla, if you're watching this, you're welcome. I know you're already here, but just in case you're watching.
It is on a Corvette frame.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, wow.
Do what?
Breathe into it.
That's cool. Wait a minute. Who are you?
I have been following him since he started.
That's pretty cool. This is the one I seen at the Hot Rod National show, I think. Same truck. Favorite.
Oh, really?
Okay, that one.
Hey, touch it.
I need this. What, you can talk. What?
Lick it?
No. Watch where you going. Don't touch. Is that?
Can I lick this one?
No.
This one?
No. I need this though. This thing is so cool. This thing's clean.
Like I said,
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna take the spring, take it over to him, like, hey, this fell out.
Do it. You won't.
Hey, this fell out. Oh, did you?
That's pretty nice.
Can I lick this one?
What?
Can I lick this
No.
one?
I'll tell you what. You can go back over there and lick turkey's cheap.
Oh, I'm good.
Oh, you don't like mud? You scared? Is that what you're saying?
One more time. It's gonna hurt me. One more time. We both know you're gonna fill me up and desert me. Well, what do I let you do me like
Damn.
you do?
Hey.
One more time. Taste your kisses. One more time.
Huh? You want me to lick it?
What?
I'm gonna lick it.
No, Jimmy. What'd you just say?
That's freaking because of what you were looking at. I thought she was going to be brain dead. Everybody did for a while. Behind it.
Jimmy.
Hey, there's your dad.
I know. That's what I was about to say.
Oh.
There's Dad.
Okay. Chip. Film your dad.
Yep.
Film your dad. Here's your dad.
So how's he here
And over there.
and over there somewhere?
That's actually how I imagine you would look like as a grandpa, Jimmy.
I can see it.
Yeah.
Sit.
Jimmy, look at me.
Look at him, Jimmy.
Yeah.
That's him.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
You like this Mercedes?
Yeah.
That's what you like, the Mercedes?
It's gorgeous.
Hell yeah. I can see you driving this.
Yeah. Look.
Yep.
Imagine my whip.
I can see it, can you?
No.
You can't see it? You can't see her driving that?
I can't see. I see her with that.
I lost my head.
Are you following me?
Yeah. 18 times.
I got a video.
All right, guys. Hey,
That's what you need.
we got a Coca-Cola tent up here on the road. They got hamburgers. They got
Ah!
chips, drinks.
Hurry.
Alright guys, we actually left and went and got some food and came back. Wesley, any thoughts or opinions?
Thoughts and opinions.
Thoughts and opinions? It's very hot out here. We actually have a umbrella protecting us from the sun, even though we have a tent down there, right there. But I forgot the wall, so the wall, it's a big wall.
We got the walls.
So, anyways, we're just waiting for fireworks, watching idiots pass by, and that's about it. So, whenever the fireworks start going off, we'll get some video for y'all. Unless something interesting happens between 7 and about 9:30, 9:45. So, we'll catch y'all back here in just a little bit.
His heart seeing foreign cars filled with fuel it isn't ours, and wearing cotton we didn't grow. He's got the red, white, blue flying high on the farm, Semper Fi tattooed on his left arm. Spent a little more in the store for a tag, and the back it says USA. He won't buy nothing that he can't fix. With WD-40 and a Craftsman wrench, he ain't prejudiced. He's just America.
All right, guys, that's going to conclude today's video. It's actually the next day. I got home last night and I was like, nah. So anyways, I'm ending it here. I hope you enjoyed it. Go down there in the comments and tell me what your favorite car was you saw from the car show earlier. I was expecting a little bit bigger car show than, you know, years past because it's 250th anniversary. I don't know. There was still quite a few cars there, but like I said, I expected the entire lake to be packed with people and cars. Fireworks were pretty decent. The grand finale was freaking awesome. I think that's the most they've ever shot off for a grand finale. Also, the reason why we still go to Soddy-Daisy, it's kind of like a tradition thing. Me and Wesley, we're best friends. We've been going to Soddy Lake for the past like 10 years. And even before that, I was going by myself. And I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to get away from that, especially just knowing a lot of people around the town and stuff, because I grew up on the outskirts of Soddy-Daisy, as my dad will tell you. I technically lived in Hickson because that's where we got annexed from, or to, or whatever. But anyways, I know a lot of people from Hickson. I know a lot of people from Soddy-Daisy, so it's just nice seeing everybody that I haven't seen in a while. You know what I mean? So, and it also beats the crowd that was downtown for the drone show and fireworks, which I would have loved to have gone to that, but I told my mom, I was like, nah. There's going to be way too many people. No telling, we'll have to pay to park somewhere. We'll have to walk a long distance. Why do all that when we could just sit at the car at the lake and watch fireworks and hang out and see people we know and not be jam-packed with a whole bunch of people that we don't know? You know what I mean? So anyways, it was a good time. Definitely enjoyed it. Probably will be right back there again next year. I'm not sure. But for right now, I did want to tell you that our next event is Chips, Cars, and Coffee at Brainerd Motorsports Park on July 12th. That's going to be this Sunday. Looking forward to having a lot of people out there. We're going to be doing roll racing. It's $15 to get in. That covers paramedics for the day. The $15 is if you're racing or if you're not racing. So it's just a flat rate, 15 bucks. Trying to make it easy on everybody. Try to bring the price down as much as we can for everybody. Of course, you know, the track has to pay for utilities and stuff like that. So anyway, anybody's welcome. Bring whatever you have. I do not care. Like, I literally say this in every single video. Guys, I do not care what you drive. Come hang out with us. And this is one of the fastest growing communities around here. I think on Facebook we're sitting at like 7.4 thousand people. So, hey, come join us. Come hang out. Make some friends. Hey, if you've never been to our event, show up. What do you got to lose? Looking forward to seeing you guys this weekend. We've got a couple of vendors out there, food vendor, stuff like that, you know, and we'll be doing a YouTube video on it, I'm sure. Also, after that, 2 weeks after that, on July 25th, it is a Saturday. Remember that, a Saturday car show. We are doing Street Legends car show. We have trophies. We have a DJ. We've got food vendors. We've got regular vendors. And B&B Discount's going to be open doing specials. And they're going to have vendors themselves. It's going to be an all-around good time. We'll do a 50-50 giveaway. You name it. We're going to be doing it. We're trying to make this one of the biggest car show events we've ever done. So if you want to keep up to date on all that, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of it. And we cannot wait to see you guys. I hope you can make it out on July 12th, and I hope you can make it out on July 25th. It's going to be probably warm, probably really warm, but we can't wait to see you guys. And with all that being said, I think it's about time for me to go inside. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. We thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Have a good night.